Which prop firm do I use to trade indexes, ES or NQ? First, why do I use prop firm? Because prop firm gives you ability to risk other people's money. It's first. Second, I use a prop firm that connected to Atas. Also, what's the reason? As you know, I am partner of Atas and I recorded so many tutorials. Main reason why we pay attention to Atas, because at this moment we can get order flow data. Before I show you about prop firm, have a look even today how I took trades. What was the reason behind this beautiful trade? Because there was a massive delta spike, and the trend was down. And when price confirmed absorption, after that we took short. And here my first attempt was unsuccessful because I needed to use bigger stop loss. But second attempt gave really awesome profit. Without access to this order flow data, it's nearly impossible for me to take a trade. Also yesterday I took also beautiful trades, and also those trades were taken because I saw significant volume at right place, and after that I took a trade. That's the reason why for a start I focused only on the prop firms that I can connect to Atas. And that prop firm is the Trading Pit. I will add link to download it into description and use it, because for every person that will use it, we will help to set up Atas. Plus, we will share free templates with working with Atas and our workspace. And my team will help to set it up for free. There would be a link to download, and also there would be a link where you fill the form in order for my team to connect with you. I started challenges. As you can see at this moment, I started challenge my account. As you can see at this moment, I started challenge for 100K. At this moment, I made 2.5 thousand of profit. Here, I have quite no drawdown. Let me show to you what exactly it is here. Start challenge. I use only futures because I didn't see a reason why you don't need it. Here, I chose Prime. I use at this moment Prime 150. What do you have here? First, profit target 9. You have maximum drawdown daily powers 3000, 4500, consistency rule 40%, challenge duration 30 days, but after you purchase you will have a set number of days to complete the challenge. 30 days activation fee. When you pass, you will need to pay this activation fee. And in the end, profit shares, it shows percentage of profit you're eligible to receive, 80%. Also, you can see you can extend your challenge. For example, you can extend it instead of 30 days, you can do it for 60, 90 days, depends what you would like. Plus, you can do the same with smaller. For example, here you can reset. You can reset for 79 and you can extend for 99. Maximum drawdown. Also, what's the additional reason why I use it? Because you can do payments via crypto. You can do when you start challenge, for example, futures. Let's do like this one, choose. Atas. Also, you can use other platforms, for example, Quantower. You can use Ninja Trader, depends which you like, but I use only Atas. There are several reasons. Plus here you can see you can buy data. We bought only CME data. You can see 60 days, total 60 days. After that you can do the next, and you can see how many different payments you can do. You can do crypto payment, you can pay via Apple Pay, Google Pay, Skrill. I paid personally through Skrill, PayPal, credit debit card. I think it's awesome. What's my recommendation for you when you start? I advise you to start, it depends who you are. If you're a beginner with no strategy, start with the smallest one. You don't need big account, because with bigger chance you will blow out first account. If you don't have strategy, if you don't have clear approach with clear risk management, for you it would be nearly impossible to take a trade. Impossible to pass through it first time, and that's okay, that's normal. Because you need a strategy, you need clear approach. And by the way, you can join our education program where we can help you, where we can guide you how to make, like we do, 1000 per day. But for that, you need to join and go through our education programs. There would be a link in description, more info about that. That's why I use this prop firm. It's really awesome. I personally here trade micro contracts because with micro contracts I can close my trades by parts, because in most cases I close trades not by one order. Even here today you can see I took a trade, 4 contracts. Here I close first, second, and here fourth. Because when you close by parts, you decrease your emotional connection to a trade, and that's really good. Love you, see my friend. And here for you would be a full playlist with tutorials how to use ATAS, because when you will do this challenge, after that you will need connected to your ATAS account, and after that you will need to take trades. You highly advise you to start with market reply, learn how to take trades, set stop losses, download all our templates, and after that you will go through. Have a good time.